what, how has that actually been, I would say, proliferated because of LLMs? Because it's already there in search. But with LLMs, is it because the experience is different that instead of you specifically searching, it does come to you? And like, how has that experience actually been more faulty for the individual?
Yeah, so that goes to actually understanding the fundamentals of the technology. So previous approaches to search used information extraction techniques, which made sure that there was a solid match between what you were searching for and what kind of content was provided. And that content was real content from real people. With the sort of LLM usage of search, into the fact that these are probabilistic sequences. So that means that pieces of text are being stitched together that sound confident and factual because it's trained on confident and factual data. It's not grounded. That means it's not directly connected to a clear source that can verify that this is true. And you can even find that now, like doing a search and seeing that there are links for citations. If you click into those citations, you can tell they're post hoc because they don't actually support what the summary is saying. They're sort of like interface design to give the appearance of factuality, but a lot of times they don't actually fully support what the summary is saying. And that's because of this disconnect between what's generated as stitching together likely words and what's real, created by people who are knowledgeable, that previously search was grounded on.
Right. So you're saying that there isn't really any kind of real ranking system that these generative models have that determine like what is necessarily represented in the output in the same way that Google has.
Right. So I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that because these are larger systems, not single models. And
Okay.
larger systems can pull in all kinds of bells and whistles, additional rules and that sort of thing, additional models, additional algorithms. They're based right now on large language models, which have all these issues. So your foundation is sort of like one of quicksand.
Okay.
But there's a lot of stuff added on top of it that can help promote relevance based on other sort of traditional signals and that sort of thing. And I think people are getting confused because of that, because they're starting to think that when we talk about the problems with LLMs, we're talking about the problems with AI systems generally. And those are two distinct things because LLMs are just one part, a core component of AI systems generally.